Welcome to part 2 of Granny's Duke's potato salad, everybody. Okay, is this how you eat your potato salad, or is this how you eat your potato salad? You know, with the eggs and the paprika for color and all that stuff. Anyway, so we found some wonderful Duke's real mayonnaise. This is part 2. We went on, had all our condiments, everything all chopped up nicely. We went on, mixed that up really quickly. We sped this up because we already went through this. Go see part 1. But we have our ice cold potatoes right here. They were cooked and cooled off in the refrigerator to be nice and cool with our salad spread that we had made for this salad. Okay, everybody? So we're going to add the potatoes to the wet mixture of the salad that we made, the spread. And so we're going to go ahead and do it nicely and slowly now. It's a little bit fast here, but we want to make sure we don't mash up our potatoes too much. We want to chunk it. Now, we look at this. Now, we're going to add more of the potatoes to this potato salad spread. And because we're making a big bowl of potato salad, everybody, okay? Now, the way how we did this also, this is a great way of adding some of the gherkins, pickle juice inside of the salad. So we're going to add a little bit of that for more moisture to go inside of the salad. This is what brings it to the pop of the flavors throughout the potato salad, everybody. Now remember, we don't want it runny. We want it flavorful. So we're going to fold that in nice and slowly. As you see that, this is how we really are stirring it now. We have eggs. Now we're going to show you the proper way how to make boiled eggs after this segment. If you're interested in everything, we're going to go through how you make a perfect egg, okay? Now look at this. All yellow and beautiful. We chopped it up with the fork. We're going to add that into the potato salad. Now, this is the real speed here. We're going to fold it in nice and slowly, everybody, because we don't want to beat it up too much, okay? Remember, we don't want it soupy or runny. We want it nice and chunky. Now, we're adding the egg all throughout of the nice bowl here as seen. Right here. Look at that. Oh, the nice onions all throughout there. It's nice and fluffy potato salad. This is just beautiful, everybody. Now, people ain't going to talk about that at church, but this one, I'm telling you, because this is a perfect potato salad. I'm telling you, okay? Now, we're going to spread this out so we can see really how this looks. I am really curious of how you eat your potato salad. Now, they say on some of these other YouTube tutorials that I've been seeing, okay, I'm going to talk to you about these eggs. They want the sliced eggs on top. They said, and paprika. They said, if it ain't on top, nobody ain't going to eat it, okay? I don't know if that's really true, but some people do it like this, some people don't. Some people like eggs, some people don't. But this way, I want to know, do you eat it with eggs on the top with the paprika for color? Or do you do a regular potato salad right here with the eggs that are all up inside and all that other stuff? I'm just curious, how do you make your potato salad? But this is wonderful. It tasted perfectly. It was delicious. I must say, Duke's is good. Yes, it is a thicker salad dressing, or mayonnaise. And I'm happy with it. I'm happy with Miracle Whip too. So it doesn't really matter. But Duke's is good. Okay. Now follow us for more on our YouTube channel. We're gonna have a lot more coming soon. What you say? We have our Mama Soul Kitchen available on Amazon.com. And we also have our Just Desserts Child cookbook for the sweet tooth only as well. Make sure you get your cookbooks today, everybody, because you know why? 2024 is here and it's going down. More coming soon.